Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your GoDaddy email to Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage all your email accounts in one place, especially when you're handling business communications through GoDaddy but prefer Outlook's interface and features. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Make sure you're logged into your account so that all your existing emails load properly. This initial step is important because you need to be in your active Outlook workspace before you can start adding additional email accounts. Give it a moment to fully load all your current messages and folders. Once your email has loaded and everything is displaying correctly, it's time to begin adding your GoDaddy email. Navigate to the File menu, which you'll find located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This will open up a new menu with various account management options. When the File menu opens, look for the Account Settings dropdown. Click on it and you'll see a few options appear. From these options, select Account Settings again. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's just how Outlook organizes its settings structure. Clicking this will bring up the Account Settings window, which is where you'll manage all your email accounts connected to Outlook. Now, in the Account Settings window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're under the Email tab, which should be selected by default. Here, you'll see all your currently connected email accounts listed. To add your GoDaddy email, click on the New option. This action will open an email login window where you can begin the process of connecting your GoDaddy account. Here's where things get straightforward. Simply add in your GoDaddy email address in the field provided. The great thing about Outlook is that it will automatically configure the IMAP and server settings for your GoDaddy domain. You won't need to manually enter server addresses or port numbers. Outlook handles all of that technical setup behind the scenes. All you need to do is verify your ownership of the account. You might receive a verification email or be prompted to use another authenticator that Outlook requires for GoDaddy accounts. This is a security measure to ensure that you're the legitimate owner of the email address you're trying to add. Follow whatever verification method appears, whether it's clicking a link in an email or entering a code. Once you've completed the verification process, your GoDaddy account will be successfully added to your Outlook account. And that's it. You've now integrated your GoDaddy email into Outlook, allowing you to manage both accounts seamlessly from one application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.